How to download and install Royal Kingdom game app. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. So in order to download that game, you have to either launch your App Store or your Play Store depending upon the device that you are using. In my case, I'm using my Android, so let's head over to our Play Store. At the top search bar, type in Royal Kingdom game. Once you do so, you will see Royal Kingdom. So tap it, and in order to download this game, tap on Install. Wait for this to complete, and once you do so, all you have to do is tap on Play here. And just like so guys, this is how you can get started with playing this game. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful contents like this. See you in our next upload. Thank you all for watching the video.